Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone, might be this video is important for you how to delete documents and data storage in your application. It's very simple process where you can find out this process. Let's see. First of all, my iPhone is here. If you enter here in the settings section, then general, then iPhone storage, and inside the iPhone storage here, which application, how much data are consuming, all types of information is available here. If I simply click here in the YouTube, so YouTube application size is 334 MB only. Documents and data consuming space 1.49 GB. The same thing, couple of days ago I removed this data, still this 1.7 is coming, but previously YouTube application are consuming space 19.3 GB. Every time you use the application day by day, and the application store some of the cache and trash data in the buffer section, so that's why the particular application are using huge amount of space. So how to delete this space? It's very simple. Just simply enter here settings section, then general. Inside the iPhone storage, you can find out which application are consuming too much space. YouTube application. If I click here, so don't go offload app, you just simply delete this application from here. So application is delete. After deleting this application, don't install. Hurry, you can spend around 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, you can install the application, because of if you are spending 5 to 10 minutes space, so your iPhone are delete all types of data related on this particular application. So you can spend 5 to 10 minutes, and afterwards you can install the application. So the application are not showing in this list. The application are consuming space, how much space original application. So using this process, you can very easily avoid the documents and data storage in your iPhone. I'm spending here 5 to 10 minutes, and now I just simply again download this application. YouTube, download this application. Don't worry about the logging section. If you use in Gmail, so application automatically retrieve all information automatically. Now the application is open. If I type here, so the asking me on my Gmail address. If I go back and if I see here, the YouTube application is not showing here. If it is here, so YouTube application is bottom of the screen, and just app size is, and documents and data size is less. Using this process, you can very easily delete documents and data storage of this particular application. I personally visit in iPhone storage and delete such application every week and reinstall this one, so you can use as much as space available on your iPhone. Using this process, you can very easily delete documents and data, trash and cache memory in your iPhone. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.